Good morning to all my children. I hope you all are having a good day today. Is your room filled with a lot of origami craft? I know if you have been following us, following our videos, you will have a lot of craft now. Beautiful, colorful craft in your room. So I trust that you have been able to follow and do them and enjoy them. And if you have friends who don't know about origami, please tell them about us so that they can also do this origami craft. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on our videos. And when you're commenting, you can tell us, was it hard to make, or was it not clear enough, or what do you want me to do in the future? You can tell me all that. So you have to try what we are doing today. It's quite easy. So I believe that you will all do it and try it and see and comment on it at the bottom of the video. And what we are doing today, we are going to look at what we are going to do today. So today I have got something. What is it? It's a letter. Look at it. I've got a letter in an envelope. So I'm going to open it up and see. So what does it say? It says arigato. What does arigato mean in Japanese? It means thank you. It means thank you. If you want to say thank you very much, you say arigato gozaimasu, right? So I think this message is telling us to be happy and make this craft with a smile on your face. Now let's make the envelope. Right, for this you can use a colored A4 paper. You don't need to take any other. And now why is this so useful? Because you can make any colored envelope for your friends or your relatives' birthday cards, and you can send them in any color you want, because sometimes in the market you can't find these colors. So you can use any color you want and make an envelope for your friends and your relatives. So let's see how to make it now. And first, what we have to do is we have to mark the middle by folding it into half but not pressing it in. Follow the steps I'm doing to make the envelope now. Now, we can't be in a hurry and press it down. We just have to mark this corner to see where the middle point is. Then we have to bring the left edge to the middle edge. You can't have a folding line in the middle because it will show otherwise on your envelope and it won't look nice. Okay, now you can press it down this corner and then do the same thing on the other side, on this other edge. Press it down. Now we have to bring the corner to the middle of this line here. And the same thing on the other side. The corner comes and meets the other corner here in the middle. Now open it up, right? Open this flap. I'm sorry, no, let's fold it in like this. Okay, now we already have the shape of an envelope, the top part. Now open it up and then fold this up so that it is folded into 1/3 of the paper. So you can fold it in like this so you can see if it's 1/3 actually. 1/3 is one part of 3 parts. And then once it's done, fold it down, press it down like that. Then this part needs to be again brought down. This corner flap has to be folded down and backwards. And this too, we are going to do the same thing. Right, now slowly open it up and then fold it inside again. Now push it up and then see whether you can push this upper part into the lower part. If it is 1/3 only, will you be able to insert that top flap into the bottom flap. See how lovely your envelope looks? See how easily we made this envelope. Now you can even insert a message into it, or even a birthday card like I said earlier. You can make a birthday card by yourself, or in the future we'll be showing you how to make a birthday card, and you can watch it and make the birthday card for your friends or your parents or your relatives and put it into this envelope that you made, so that everybody gets something that you made from your own hands. So stay with us to make all these beautiful creations like this. See you soon, my children.